Hey, what's up? Welcome back. In this video we'll be working on 2017 Mercedes AMG GT Coupe, and for some minor damages: front bumper, hood, suspension, few wheels. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Alright, the car is in the shop, ready to work. We're gonna remove the front bumper. We'll start with that because tomorrow insurance adjuster is supposed to come and do his estimate on the vehicle. So a headlight got damaged, bumper, hood, bumper, and hood right here and bumper over here. This headlight is fine. This one's a little damaged. Same with the wheel. Wheel got bent, cracked right here. So we're gonna have to replace the rim. Some damages over there. Same with this wheel. Got damaged. So we're gonna replace this wheel. The back is fine. No damages to the back. Rear right wheel, it's fine. No damages. Passenger right flat tire and some scratches on the wheel. So we're gonna have to remove the wheel and see what's going on there. Let's start working on it. Alright, the bumper is off. So we need new fender liners, new wheels, some of the suspension, and then this bracket got damaged that holds the intercooler. So we're gonna have to replace that bracket. Other than that, it's not too bad. We'll see what the insurance adjuster will say. Here's the fender liner. And obviously we're gonna need a new bumper. Bumper got damaged. Alright, we put the Mercedes on the left. Let's check it out, what's going on. Suspension looks like kind of bent. The lower control arm. This side 2 fingers. On this side you could put 3 fingers. So lower control arm looks like it got bent a little bit. And we got a new control arm. Yeah, new control arm, so we'll start with that. Still waiting on the new rim, still waiting on the new fender, replacing the fender because it has a crack right here, and by insurance standards you have to replace it because it's aluminum, and customer wants everything brand new. It's a very expensive car, so we're gonna repair this car the proper way. Everything from the dealer, brand new. Alright, let's get to work and replace the control arm. Alright, the parts came in for the Mercedes. We got a new bearing, new upper control arm, lower control arm, and a new knuckle. So we're gonna replace everything because it was pretty bad. The wheel got damaged, so we're not gonna risk with the suspension. We're gonna replace everything. Brand new left suspension. So this car will be in the perfect specs. Alright, this side is finished. We changed the suspension, control arms, knuckle, bearing. Now we gotta do the other side. On the other side, one of the shields got a little damaged, so we'll replace this one as well with this. Alright, suspension is done. Now we gotta change the fender and the hood. Hood got damages right here. It's aluminum hood. So new hood, new fender. Fender has a crack right here. So let's remove this. Alright, we got the new hood for Mercedes GT, new bumper, and a new fender. Alright, we got the rocker off. The rocker molding is off the car. Now we're gonna remove the fender and the hood. Alright, the hood, the fender is off. Time to install the new one. Alright, we installed the fenders. Gaps are good. Time to install the hood. Alright, we got the car painted. It's matte gray color. And now it's time to wrap it blue again. Matte blue color. Alright, here's the bumper. It's almost done. Time to transfer everything from the old one to the new one. That's the old bumper. And we also got brand new headlights. Left and a right. Alright, the front bumper is on. Time to change the wheels and off to alignment shop. Alright, the wheels came in for the Mercedes GT AMG. Brand new wheels, 4 wheels and 4 brand new tires. Michelin tires. Brand spanking new. Customer's gonna be very happy.
like your style. Put you in Chanel cause it's just perfect for your smile. Girl, I swear for you I'd run the world, I'd run the miles. The way you look at me, I think I'm going insane. It's crazy how we started out to what the love became. You need me, say my name. Don't ever hesitate. It's 2 AM outside, when I'm with you I feel way too high. You know you got me going crazy, baby. I just need to know that you will stay, please, yeah. With you I feel too high. Whoa, whoa, whoa. got me going crazy, stone cold up, but my blood keeps raising. Ay, if you run, then I'm chasing. Girl, you number one, I know that you
No more hugging curbs.
Alright, customer is here to pick up his ride. Very happy customer.